YouTube channel. On this channel, we share our trade ideas, we review our weekly trade, and the signals we gave during the week, right? So, the major purpose of this channel, what we do majorly on this channel, it's simply to journal our trades here, right? So we tend to share, we share our trade review. We review our trade every week, right? So to show you guys the trade we take during the week and the lessons we learned from the trade and how it can also the lessons you can also learn, pick from one or two from it, right? So guys, that's it. So on today's video, we are going to be uh, reviewing last or this week's so today is this Saturday. So this week's trade. So on GU this week, I actually took just one, actually two trades, but this one you are seeing right here, this is the first trade. So let's go to our MT5, guys. So remember I told you guys on this GU, this what this GU, all right, this account is a pro firm account. I already told you guys on that, I think our previous video, right? So I took only this signal this week. This was the only trade I took this week. I didn't share this signal on the group, so it was a loss for me. Let me show you guys the trade. This was the trade, guys. This was the trade. Like, so look at what happened here. So I saw a change of character here after this massive sell. I saw a change of character, and I was waiting for price to just retrace back, and then price did retrace back. But I think because of the news, there was news. I see, yeah, there was news right at this time. So that's why it stopped me out, and then started going my direction. At least this should have ended on break even, right? So this should have ended on break even. However, I lost the trade, guys. So I think this was the only trade I took last this week, and it's on this account. Sorry, guys, on this particular account. And as you can see right here, it was a loss for me. And then, guys, this other trade, I shared this particular one on the group, guys. So I shared this signal on the group. So if you are on the group on the channel, you see this signal. I dropped it, and this was a win for it was a win, guys. But then, guys, I could not. This trade did not tap in because I was a bit distracted. I was very busy at that moment when I would drop the signal. So I was not that focused, right? So this trade I missed it. It would have been a win for me for the week, but then I missed the trade. Guys, it's part of the game, so we keep on learning. It's part of the game. I think I have to pay more attention to my trade. Whenever I get a signal, I see my setup. I think I have to pay more attention. I think that's the lesson there. I have to wait and leave whatever other thing I'm doing and then focus on that setup until that setup is running. Then I can just put in my break even and all of that and leave the trade and allow the trade to run. All right, so that's the lesson I learned from this particular one now, right, guys? So this would have been a win trade for us, but I this did not take tap me in. But then I dropped the signal on the group. I hope you guys ate right from this particular signal. Kudos to all of you guys. All right, guys. All right, so as you can see, our account balance is our account balance is what now? $2,942. So, but best believe by God's grace, we are going to move this account back. So, just one profitable trade now is going to make us move this account up, right? So, one thing I noticed when I was checking my journal, my trading journal, I noticed that I have so many break even trades. Guys, let me increase this now. So I have so many break even trades. For instance, this is a break even trade. This trade go to one arrow in profit. This is a break even trade. This also went one arrow in profit. So this one was a loss. This one was a break even. And like, guys, this break even, they go one arrow in profit before I break even my trade. So I have so many break evens, but even more than the losses, right? And then only few wins. So I'm wondering, I don't know what I should do. Guys, if you have any idea, anything you know I can do that will help me here, based on my trade management, just suggest it on the comment section. Right. Meanwhile, let's move on to the other account, guys. Let's move on to the other account, guys. All right, guys. So on my second account, I'm going to show you guys, which is on my swing trading account. So I'm going to show you guys the trade we took for the week. Our first trade was USD CHF. This is our first trade, USD CHF, as you can see right here. So on the swing trading account, so we only took, I think, about three trades, which is USD CHF, AUD USD, and GBP JPY. Right, we took only three trades, and let's see, guys. Let's just go to the chart and see. So this is the first setup I took. I didn't drop this setup, guys. I did not drop this setup, but I dropped the AUD USD for you guys. I dropped down for you. All right, so this was the setup we took, guys. So our entry was here. Our entry was here. When price, look at what happened. So this, remember, this is a key zone, right? If you go to a higher time frame, you notice that this is a resistance zone. So when I saw a change of character at this key zone here, so what I did was I just waited, I just placed my order pending order here. So price came in, tapped me in, and price traded to one arrow. This line you are seeing here is one arrow. So price traded one arrow in profit. Look at it, guys. You can see. So price traded one arrow in profit. My profit target was actually four arrow. So and then the guy I broke even. This guy came, took me out, and then the guy sold very well. He sold very well, as you can see here. So this is the reason why you see this trade ended up break even. This USD CHF trade ended up break even, guys. All right, so the next one, as you can see right here, is USD CHF. So let's quickly go to the setup and see the setup we took there. So as you can see right now, guys, my most of my trades, they go one arrow in profit before they reverse. All right, so this is the AUD USD trade setup. So I saw a change of character pretty here. When I saw this change of character, I just waited for price to come down here. This was where my I entered here, where my cursor is. So I entered here and price started buying. Price bought up to one arrow in profit as well. So my target on this setup was just two arrow, right? So price also traded one arrow in profit and then came to take us out on break even, guys. So that's the reason why you can see this here, AUD USD setup also on break even, right? All right, guys. So the next setup, GBP JPY, guys. As you can see, this setup made us smile. At least for the week, we were able to recover our loss for the week. As you can see right here, the deposit is 2,500 here, and then the balance is 2,700 right now, guys. As you can see, we are on profit on this account right now. Hopefully next week we are going to even do better. So let's go and check GBP JPY setup, and let's see what I saw there. And all right, as you can see here, guys. So actually, this is not my target was actually four arrow in profit. So actually, guys, I woke up and I met this guy. This thing happened. I was so happy, guys. I was so happy. I don't know what happened. So what I saw, as you can see right here, I saw a change of character at a key zone. So if you look at this level, price has rejected off this level several times. So I saw it and I said, okay, since price has rejected off this zone met several times, and the price came here and then changed character again. Though this setup was, guys, I won't lie to you, I didn't even want to take this setup because price was here when I took this setup. Price was up here, so it was even close to taking out this high. Are you getting it? So I was feeling like, okay, price might not reverse, so price will just continue buying like this and take me out even before maybe it wants to start selling. So that's actually what I thought. So you see, guys, this is the reason, like I said on last week video, when you see your setup, it meets your requirement, take the setup no matter how you feel, right? Forget about your feelings, right? Just take your setup. As far as it meets your requirement, either win or lose, accept it, accept the probability even before you take the trade. I think that's actually what helped me to take this trade. If not, I wouldn't have taken this trade uh the day I took this trade, right? I wouldn't have taken the trade because to me it was a low probability trade. Let me tell you why for me it was a low probability setup. This is not just because it's because of that. This is Japanese yen basket, right? So this was set up. I think yen basket was down here, right? Down here, not all these candles you are seeing. So yen basket supposed to have a change of character, right, guys? That's actually what yen basket ought to do. So let's go back to the time I took this trade so you guys will really understand what I'm talking about. So I took this trade. This I think this candle. This was the candle around 10 a.m. Yeah, 10 a.m. candle, I guess. So this was the candle 10 a.m. candle, right? 10 a.m. candle. That was 10 a.m. here. So let's come right here. So you will see the candle, right? Look at 10 a.m. candle. 10 a.m. candle, as you can see right there, 10 a.m. candle, it was down, it was bearish, right? So yen basket was bearish. We were expecting GBPJPY to be bullish. But then when I saw this, and if it were the order on my other day account now, on day that day trading strategy, it's actually the same strategy, but then there are some the rules are slightly different, right? So if it were that one, I wouldn't have taken this trade because I'll wait for the the benchmark asset to align with the pair that I'm trading. Do you understand? For that particular strategy, right? So, but for this one, it did align in any way. This one was bearish and yen basket was bullish when I saw the setup. But then because I knew that my setup was the setup was clear actually, but just that probability because yen basket is selling and then obviously GBPJPY ought to be buying, guys. So that's actually what I expect. I actually did expect this trade to even go well for me, but then because I accepted the probabilities, right? So that's actually what helped me in this trade. I'm really glad, honestly, that I took the trade. I didn't look at my feelings and all of that. I just took the trade, right? So guys, as you can see right here, the trade gave us 4 arrow in profit. I think one thing I need to work on as well is this my risk calculation, which is my risk management. This first this trade, when price got to 2 arrow in profit, as you know, I the way I manage my trade, that was when this my the first this position triggered, take profit, right? Triggered when price go to 2 arrow. So this was supposed to be 250, but then it's not, right? So and this win supposed to be 500, but then it's not, it's lower. So I think next time I need to do my calculation very well so that, because as you can see right here, if I lost 240, 2 something, 2 something here, I want two, even sometimes even almost 300, 300 here. So if I lost it, I'm supposed to even make, when I'm doing the same, when I'm on my wins, I'm supposed to even do supposed to repeat the same thing, right? So I think that's the lesson I learned from this particular setup. All right, guys. So these are the trades I took during the week. All right. So if you have any question, make sure you drop it on the comment section. If you have any assets you want us to make video on, guys, drop it on the comment section, guys. We love you. Good luck.